Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create and verify a Paxful account. First of all, open the Paxful app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on the profile icon at top left corner and a bunch of settings will open up. Simply tap on the account verification feature at the top and a list of verification requirements will be displayed. Now tap on the phone verification feature and enter your phone number. Once done, tap on Save Phone Number and then paste the verification code. After that, you will be redirected to the verification page. Here, tap on the ID verification feature and select your country. Now choose the type of document you will be using, then enter the required data, and after that, tap on the Process button. Now, you will be prompted to take a picture of the document selected and then your selfie. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the verification. Now that both of these are verified, tap on the Document Verification feature. Here, you will need to choose the document that you would like to upload in order to verify your address. Simply select the document you want and fill in everything that is required. Once done, proceed to the next step and then upload a photo of one of the documents. After uploading it, wait for the review and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.